Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to view your recent account history in Facebook. By accessing this feature, you can keep track of your interactions and stay in control of your online presence. Let's jump right into the full guide. Step 1. If you haven't already, download the Facebook app from the Play Store. Simply head over to the search bar, type in Facebook, and look for the app with a white F on a white background. Tap on it and select Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in to your Facebook account. Step 2. After signing in, you'll notice 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those lines to access the menu. Step 3. Within the menu, scroll down to the Settings and Privacy section. Step 4. Once you've found the Settings and Privacy section, scroll down further until you reach the Your Information section. Step 5. In the Your Information section, you'll find an option labeled Your Recent Search History. Tap on it. Step 6. By tapping on Your Recent Search History, you'll be able to view all your recent interactions with posts or accounts. Here, you can see the accounts you've searched for and the posts you've interacted with. This feature allows you to monitor your activity and ensures that you have an overview of your digital footprint. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to view your recent account history in Facebook. By utilizing this feature, you can stay informed about your interactions and manage your online presence effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative guides. Thank you for watching, and remember, take control of your digital world.